Hello everyone, welcome to my Python for Beginner lesson. In this tutorial, I will install Python in my Windows machine via Anaconda and also use the Jupyter Notebook for writing our first Python program. Okay, so let's get started. Let us first go to Anaconda's website. So open any of your favorite web browser and just type Anaconda and you will see the first website. So mainly Anaconda is a integrated platform or environment which support most of the data science related task, and so Anaconda is suitable for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So let's download for ourselves. So in the landing page of the website, we can select from the product drop down, select the individual edition. Let's go here, and from here you can simply download the file. That, as you can see, that we have other platform enabled. As I'm using Windows, I will go for Windows graphical installer. So as you can see from here while it's downloading, that Anaconda comes with pre-installed all of the most popular library for machine learning: pandas, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, NumPy and other stuff. So when it's download, you can just follow, as you can see that I already downloaded beforehand. So you just follow the installer, and it's just simple process. You can just simply follow it. For myself, as I already installed the Anaconda beforehand in order to save the time for this tutorial, so it's not letting me do it again. So for your case, you can just simply click next, and then it will be installed. Like, it's a pretty straightforward thing, and it takes roughly 3 to 5 minutes to complete the install. Based on your PC configuration, the time might vary. So when the installation is done, you can simply go to your start menu, and you can see there's recently newly added program. So from here we will use the Jupyter Notebook. Just click on it, and it will run as a local host in your machine, and so that you can easily access that from your browser. So this is the user interface for the Jupyter Notebook. So here are some tabs. This tab will help to tell which notebook are currently running. There's also a cluster tab. So for now, let us just use from here. Create a new folder. Let me rename this. Okay, once you are done, so let us create a new IPython file, notebook file. So as you can see that by default, when we download the Anaconda and install it, it was bundled with Python 3.8, right? But if you need another version of Python, for example Python 3.6 or 3.7, you can easily configure that with the Anaconda prompt. Okay, Anaconda terminal. So for now, this tutorial I will use the Python 3, and also if you need Python 2, you can do that via the terminal Anaconda prompt. Okay, so let us test if everything is working fine and it's installed properly in our machine. In order to run that, you can just use simply Control Enter, and then it will if everything is configured correctly, you will see the output here. So the benefit of using the Jupyter Notebook it's that it has a feature for integrated markdown markdown command. If you want to do some documentation or visualization or other stuff, it is the best tool for doing such a thing. For example, just let us just create a markdown header. And simply, as you can see, that it's already here. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in next lesson. Bye.